Alright, what's up guys? Right here, we're out here checking out the 2016 RS. Got myself, David, and my boy Tim up here checking out the RS. What this is an all-wheel drive machine. It's actually, in my opinion, one of the best vehicles Ford has come out in the Ford import world. You got the Brembo brakes, all-wheel drive, Recaro seats, heck of a car. Just look at this machine. What do you think about it, Tim?
I think it's pretty badass, to be honest with you. It goes on it, the color. Like you said, all-wheel drive.
Then got it before this, he put some carbon fiber accents, give it a little bit of a pop. I mean, it's got that hatchback feel, that European design. And even got some room for somebody in the back. It's like a race car.
You already know it.
Recaro seats. Think about that.
2.3. It's got your keyless entry, bolstered up seats.
Man, we ain't demoing this thing, man. We're testing this thing out. Let's show them what it can do, man. Just a little bit of test drive around the lot. Man, you got a 6-speed in this right here. Got your big screen, which is really cool. Man, has a really good takeoff. Has a touchy clutch, which is pretty nice in a car like this. Has really good get up and go. But I mean, you don't really see anything until you put it in the new driver's mode, which is sport mode. Now I'm not going to put it in drifting mode because I might get in trouble by the dealership. Pretty cool though. I mean,
sheesh.
This RS, as you can see, what Focus has went from. We have right here pretty crappy looking Focus. If you guys want to jump out and look at it, it's an SVT. As you can see, they got pretty drastically. Went from something that looks awesome, and back then it's alright. Not the greatest looking thing. Obviously, that one's pretty damaged to pieces.
Look like they lost the front bumper or something like that.
Man, that must have been drifting or something.
Bird crap adds a little 10 horsepower.
Absolutely. So the SVT, special vehicle teams, all the glory of the Ford days. But you just can't beat this RS.
That's a big step up, to be honest with you. It's a really big step up. Want to do a big shout out for our dealership out here. Come see us out here at Glen Ford, Lincoln, Nicholasville, Kentucky. If you want to take a look at this vehicle right here, you want to pop the hood for him? This will be our first video for our YouTube channel, Just Know TV.
Just know.
Anybody can get this work.
I mean, you know that if you're any kind of car enthusiast, most people look at this as a Ford Focus. But in reality, this is just a rally sport car over from Europe. And it's rocking a 2.3 engine, same in the Ford Explorer, so quite a big engine on it. It's got a ton of horsepower. If anybody's ever drove one, you know this is no normal Focus.
Want to rev it up so you can hear the engine from this side? Woo. Listening to that cold air sucking all that air in, man. That's crazy. This car ain't nothing to sleep on. It might be a hatchback, it might be a Focus, but it's an RS, all-wheel drive. Yeah, this thing's pretty bad. Sunroof. It's got a usable back seat. It is a hatchback. I'm only 5'8", so 5'7". That's pretty, it's all right for me. I don't know about my guy right here.
This thing's 6'2". I still got plenty of room back here. Be able to grind those gears and make her disappear.
All right.
Oh.
Got a little trunk space, capless gas cap. More of like your driver enthusiast type car. I call it the WRX eater. That's just me. I don't believe this thing comes with the tire.
No, man, you just gotta plate.
Don't come with the tires. Nice.
And make it a little bit more lighter so you can go a little faster, run from the cops a little bit easier.
I believe the thing just closed down here. It's got some what is it in there? The valve that closes in and out. There's a valve in there on the left side, so when it's open full throttle, it'll open up. But when it's actually just sitting here idle, I heard it close, but I just forget what it's called. I don't know if you can see it in there or not.
Yeah, I can too. Yeah, absolutely. Man, but that's a wrap about the RS. Be sure to check us out. We'll probably be showing you a little bit more cars, of course. Hopefully our first YouTube video gets you a little bit more hits and show a little bit more fresh to this, and the next video will be a lot more consistent.
Of course, of course. So if you like this, just go ahead and subscribe. We'll have more videos on the way. We'll holler at you soon. Just know.
Anybody can get this work.